Join me in a mindfulness meditation practice. Mindfulness is a wonderful way to ground yourself, to bring calming energy back to your body, back to your nervous system, and to just give yourself a little bit of a reset throughout the day. So starting in a seating position with your spine as straight as is comfortable, feet flat on the floor, resting your palms on your lap, closing your eyes if it feels comfortable, or you can soften your gaze and look at something 4 or 5 feet out in front of you, something that's not moving. And we're going to start with 3 deep breaths. Here we go. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose, filling up your belly with air. And breathing out through your mouth, letting it all go. And one more cleansing breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And now just find a breathing pattern that feels good to you. Anytime that your mind wanders or thoughts appear, just know that is totally normal. Notice it, acknowledge it without judgment, and just bring your attention back to your breath, back to the mindfulness moment that we are in together. We're going to do a body scan, starting from the top of the head and going down to the toes. Starting at the top, bringing your attention to your forehead, just letting it relax and soften. Checking in with your eyes, letting them be loose. Noticing your jaw and just allowing for it to be nice and loose and relaxed. Again, anytime that your mind wanders, just notice it and bring your attention back to your breath and back to your body. Coming down to your shoulders and allowing your shoulders to just slide down away from your ears. Let your arms hang loose on your lap. Fingers relaxed, wrists relaxed. Allowing everything to be soft. And coming down to your waist and your hips. Allowing them to settle beneath the surface below you. Noticing what's holding you up, what's supporting you right now. Maybe it's your chair or your bed, maybe some yoga blocks. Just recognizing that contact with the seated position that's supporting you. And allowing everything to melt down into your center, down into the ground. And bringing attention to your legs and your knees, softening them up. Bringing your attention to your ankles and your toes. Perhaps feeling the air on your toes, or if you're wearing socks or shoes, just noticing the fabric around your feet, just allowing your feet to completely melt into the ground below you. And if your mind is wandering, just notice it and bring it back to this moment. Bring it back to your breath. And just taking a moment to allow everything to become soft, to become relaxed, letting your nervous system get back to a calm, grounded space. If your mind wanders, just bring it back to your breath. Let's draw in one more deep breath in through your nose and big breath out through your mouth. And when you're ready, start to wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, waking yourself back up to the environment around you. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and slowly blink them open. And just giving gratitude, appreciation for yourself, for showing up in this moment and giving yourself the gift of a reset, the gift of a break, the gift of recentering yourself again. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Make sure to save this video and come back to it anytime that you need.